The Vancouver style is a numbered citation system mainly used in medicine, nursing, biomedical, and scientific research. It was developed by the International Committee of Medical Journal Editors, and sometimes people also call it the numbered style, the numerical referencing system, or even link it with American Medical Association style in some contexts. So instead of writing author names like Levitt, 2009, we simply use numbers like 1, 2, 3, how in-text citations work. In Vancouver style, each source gets a number based on when it appears in your text. So, the first source you use becomes 1, the second becomes 2, and so on. Important rule: if you use the same source again, you do not give a new number, you reuse the original one. Examples: citing the source at the end of a sentence. This is the most common and easiest method. First, write like directive leadership was pivotal in navigating staffing shortages and improving engagement in healthcare settings, then support with source in parentheses, 1. Or you can also write in superscript form. You can see here that when source number 1 is used again, no new number is assigned. Instead, the same number, 1, is reused, citation integrated into the text. Here, the citation is placed inside the sentence to improve flow. A recent study then writes citation, 2, has proposed that participatory leadership. Author's name is given before the citation number. We use this when we want to highlight the researcher. First, write authors' names, then citations like, according to Omini and Ezeruigbo. 3. Hierarchical leadership plays a key role when clear direction is required. Citing multiple sources in Vancouver style. Now sometimes you want to support your idea with more than one study. In that case, use commas for different sources, use a hyphen for a range. For example, you can see a comma here between 7 and 1. It is showing 2 different sources. On the other hand, you can see hyphen here between 6 and 8. It is showing range of sources. Direct quotes from sources. Now let's talk about direct quotes, which are very important in academic writing. If you copy exact words, use quotation marks, add page number, P for one page, PP for multiple pages. You can first write the author's name, then the citation number, followed by the quotation, and finally the page number. You can also place both the citation and page number at the end. Reference list. Now comes the reference list at the end. In Vancouver style, references are not alphabetical like A, B, C, they are written in the same order as they appear in text like 1, 2, 3. Each source includes author name, article title, journal name, year, volume, and pages. Now let's understand how to write full references in Vancouver style. There is a tool called MyBib. You can watch the attached video to learn how to use it. If you click here, you will see the Vancouver style option. Click on it, then paste the article DOI or link. It will automatically create the reference for you. You can also generate in-text citations from it. You can add as many sources as you want, and it will keep them organized in numbered format. 1, 2, 3, 4. Journal article reference. A journal reference always follows a fixed order. Think of it like a formula. Author, write last name first, then initials, title, write it in normal sentence style, only first word is capital, then write journal title but in abbreviations. In Vancouver style, you do not write full journal names. Journal names are abbreviated using official formats from the National Library of Medicine, NLM, catalog. For example, Journal of Nursing Research is written as J-NAS-RES, then write year, then volume, issue, then pages, then DOI. Book reference. Now if you are citing a full book, the format changes slightly. First write author name, then book title, then edition, then place name, then publisher, then write year, chapter in an edited book. If the book has different authors for each chapter, then format is different. First write chapter author name, then chapter title, then in, editor, then write book title, then place, then retype publisher name, then year, then pages numbers. You must write in, before editors, add editors after their names, add page numbers with P, website reference. Now for websites, Vancouver style includes a bit more detail. First write author or organization name, then title, then internet, then write place, then publisher, then write year, then cited date, then URL. Once you understand the pattern, Vancouver style becomes very easy. It is just about numbers, order, and consistency.